Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. You can also go to your game library and right here you're gonna find all of your installed games. You can also see your collection right here, and right here you're gonna find your PlayStation Plus games. So right now I'm gonna go back, and then right here if you go to the left you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. So go ahead and click on PlayStation Store, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna be in the PlayStation Store. So basically guys, from here you can buy any game that you want, and right here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find recent games, collections, sales, subscriptions, and so on. And here in the right you're gonna find the search option. Here you're gonna find your wish list. Right here you're gonna find your cart, and here you're gonna find some other options. So go ahead and click on other, and then right here you're gonna find payment method, redeem a code, subscriptions, your payment history, and so on. So go ahead and click on redeem code, and then once you do that, all you need to do guys is click on X on your controller, and then go ahead and type the code that you have. Make sure the code is correct, and then once you do that, go ahead and click on done or click on R2 on your controller. Once you do that, if the code is working, you're gonna be able to click on use, and then you're gonna be able to use your code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.